Now new topic functions. Calculus part మనకి మంచిగా నేర్చుకోవాలంటే ఫంక్షన్స్ తెలియాలి. First one is x equals y square. Now y is 0, then x equals 0. Y is 1, now x equals 1. So y equals 2, now x is 2 square 4. Y equals 3, now x is 9. So y equals minus 1, now x is minus 1 whole square. Y equals minus 2, now x is 4. Y equals minus 3, then x is 9. Now first 0 0, 1 comma 1, x is 1, y is 1. Next 2 comma 4, y is 2, x is 4. 3 comma 9, y is 3, x is 9. Next y is minus 1, x is 1. Y is minus 2, x is 4. So y equals to minus 3, x is 9. This is the graph of x equals to y square. X equals to y square. Next we are going to discuss terminology. Okay. Terminology, domain. Set containing all acceptable values of variable x. Set containing all acceptable values of variable x. For example, 1 by x minus 4. Here x not equal to 4. Here if x equal to 4, function is not defined. Function is not defined. Okay, x equal to 4, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined, not defined. So 1 by 0, 4 minus 4. It means except for other all values acceptable. So domain is R minus except for. For example, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. What is the domain of this graph? What is the domain? Set containing all acceptable values of variable x. So variable x, here 3 is shaded circle, at 8 unshaded circle. So close interval 3, comma, open interval 8. This is the domain of the function. Close interval 3 to open interval 8. One more example. Y-axis and x-axis point is 7. Here, what is the domain of this graph? Domain is set containing all acceptable values of variable x. So, variable x. So, here 0 to 7. So, closed interval 0 to 7. Closed interval including here at 0 shaded circle, at 7 also shaded circle. Closed interval 0 to 7. This is the domain. Next, graphically, definition of the domain graphically. Domain is portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph of the function. So graphically, domain is portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph of the function. An example. This is the function graph of the function. Y-axis and x-axis. Domain is a portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph of the function. So what is the domain of given graph, given function? Closed interval 2 to close interval 2 to, so open interval 8. This one is unshaded cycle, this one shaded cycle. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే first part is 2 to 5 and the second graph is 5 to, second part is 5 to 8. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే here 5 is excluded, here 5 is included. సో యాంటీ గ్రాఫ్ మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి, డొమైన్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్ close interval 2 to open interval 8. So it is continuous and without break. So domain is close interval 2 to 8, open interval 8. So one more example. X-axis, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. So this point is 3. This point is 12. Now what is the domain of this function? Domain of this function is, so actually x-axis. This one approaches 0. Graph of this one, this graph is approaches 0. Approaches 0. So now this point is a 2. This one is approaches 2. So approaches 2 means this one open interval 2. This one open interval infinity. X-axis, y-axis. This one is open interval minus infinity. So this one approaches infinity on x-axis. This one approaches minus infinity. This one approaches 2. So can you observe what is the domain of this one? Domain of this function. This one is approaches minus infinity. Open interval minus infinity. So minus infinity to 12. So this is the domain of this graph. X-axis, y-axis. The point is minus 7. What is the domain of this graph? Domain of this function. So this is a shaded circle. So shaded circle means closed interval including minus 7. Minus 7 to this one. This graph is approaches infinity plus infinity. So closed interval minus 7 to infinity. So graphically మనం డొమైన్ లో ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. I hope this is clear. This is x-axis, y-axis. Here this graph approaches infinity, x equals to infinity. X-axis, y-axis. This graph approaches x equals to minus infinity. Minus infinity. Next, we are going to discuss about domain. Domain is over. Next, we are going to discuss range. What is the range? Set of all obtained values of variable y. Next one, range. Set of all obtained values of variable y. Variable y. So graphically, range is portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph of function, which is covered by the graph of the function. Graph of the function. An example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the graph. So we have to calculate range of the function. What is range of the function? Range is portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph. What is the portion of y-axis? Is the y-axis, x-axis. So which is covered by the graph. So here close interval 2 to close interval 6. Close interval 2 to close interval 6. This is the range of graph. Range of function f. Can we observe here between 3 to 5? Between 3 to 5. Here 3 to 5. Repeated twice. This one is 3 to 5. This one also 3 to 5. Repeated 2 times. So no problem at range. Graph and the 2 times repeated, no problem at range. So range of this one is 2 to 5. What is domain of this one? Domain is portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph. What is portion of x-axis? So 2 to 5. Here close interval 2 to open interval 5. This one is open interval 5. So this one is the shaded circle, this one is the unshaded circle. Just one more example. X-axis to y-axis. So we need to calculate range of function and domain of function. What is the range of function? Your range is portion of y-axis. Portion of y-axis. So this graph is approaches 0. So open interval 0 to this one shared cycle, shared part. So including 8. Close interval 8. 0 to 8 is the range of this graph. What is the domain of this one? Domain is the portion of x-axis. Portion of x-axis. This one approaches minus infinity. Here x equals to minus infinity. So minus infinity, open interval minus infinity to 5. This is closed interval 5. So range of this graph and range of function and domain of function. I hope this is clear. One more example, simple example. X-axis, y-axis. This one is 6. This value is minus 3. What is the domain? What is the range of this graph? Range of this function is a function f of x. So range is portion of y-axis. What is portion of y-axis? 0 to 6. Here open interval 0. This graph is approaches 0 y-axis. So open interval 0. This one is shaded cycle, unshaded cycle. So open interval 6. Open interval 0 to 6. This is the range. What is the domain of this graph? Domain is portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph. So what is the portion of x-axis? Minus 3 to infinity. Minus 3 to infinity. Here this one is shaded, unshaded. Shaded, unshaded cycle. Unshaded cycle means open interval minus 3 to infinity. So this is the graphically domain and range. చిన్న చిన్న బేసిక్స్ కూడా మనకు తెలిసాయి అనుకోండి, అడ్వాన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం ఈజీగా చేయగలుగుతాం. ప్రతి ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టెర్మినాలజీ మనకు క్లియర్గా తెలియాలి. Next we are going to discuss about root. Next one is root. It is value of x for which y is 0. What is the root? root is here, it is the value of x for which y is 0. For example, so y equals x square minus x, y equals x square minus y, x square minus x. It is the value of x for which y is 0. Y is 0. 0 equals x square minus x. Bring outside x. Common thing is x. X times of x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. X will be 1. So what's the roots of x? 0 comma 1. So one more example. Now root is alpha. Root is alpha. Root is alpha means x minus alpha. X minus alpha equal to 0. So here y is 0. Root is alpha means what is the x coordinate to alpha? Y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. Now root is 7. Root is 7 means what is the coordinates? 7 comma 0. Root is 7 means x equal to 7, y is 0. It is the value of x for which y is 0. Graphically, now root is x coordinate. Root is x coordinate of point of intersection of graph with x-axis. What is the graphically meaning? Root is x coordinate of point of intersection of graph with x-axis. For example, x-axis, y-axis. This point is 7 comma 0. 7 comma 0. So what is the root here? Root equal to 7. So root is x coordinate. X coordinate is 7, y coordinate is 0. Root is x coordinate of point of intersection of graph. This is the graph. So point of intersection of graph with x-axis. This is the point of intersection of graph with x-axis. So this is the point 7 comma 0. X coordinate is root. What is x coordinate? 7. Root is 7. One more example. X-axis, y-axis. Here number of roots are 4. Number of roots are 4. What's the root graphically? Root is the exponent of point of intersection of graph with x-axis. So graph and x-axis intersect at 4 points. 2, 5, 7, 11. So number of roots are 4. So what are the roots? Number of roots is 4. Now roots are, what the roots are? 2 is a root, 5 is a root, 7 is a root, 11 is a root. Okay, this one is root. Yeah, root is 7 or root equals, root is x equal to 7. Both are same. Next one we are going to discuss minimum and maximum values. Minimum and maximum value. Just terminology తెలుస్తుంది అనుకోండి. బిగినింగ్ లో టెర్మినాలజీ మనకి క్లారిటీ ఉంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. మినిమం అండ్ maximum values. Minimum and maximum value. So this is the graph, x-axis, y-axis. This point is -3, 0. Okay, this is the graph. Find the minimum and the maximum. First, what is the domain of this one? Domain of this function. Domain is the portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph. So which is covered by the graph. What is the portion of x-axis? Closed interval, shared circle, closed interval 2 to closed interval 6. It is the domain. Next, range. What is range of this function? Range is the portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph. So what is the range of this function? Closed interval -3 to 7. Closed interval -3 to 7. Closed interval 7. Shared cycle. Both are shared cycle. So minimum, F minimum is -3. F maximum is 7. Range means minimum and maximum. F minimum is -3. F maximum is 7. So number of roots. Number of roots, how many number of roots? Only 4 is a root. So point of intersection graph. Point of intersection of graph of with x-axis. Graph and x-axis ఎక్కడైతే intersect అవుతాయో మనకి అవే roots అన్ని. So number of roots 1. Roots are x equal to 4. X equal to 4. I hope you are understanding. Just one more example. So this is the graph. This point is 6. This is the graph. So first domain. What is domain of this function? Domain is a portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph. So this one is a shared circle. So close interval 0 to this one is approaches 6. Open interval 6. Open interval 6. Next, range of this function. What is the range? Range is a portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph. So which is covered by the graph is close interval -4 to infinity. This one is approaches infinity. So close interval infinity. Range of this one. So F minimum is -4. Range is between minimum and maximum. F maximum does not exist. Infinity means it does not exist. Does not exist. Number of roots. Number of roots, how many? Only one root. So roots are, what roots are? X equal to 5. I hope you are understanding. So domain, clearly domain explained here some, range explained here some, graphically domain, graphically range. Next one root clearly explained cheskunnam. Next minimum and maximum. Okay. Next one is asymptote. For example, take one example. Find minimum, F minimum and F maximum of, find F minimum and F maximum if range of this function close interval -3 to open interval 5. close interval minus 3 to open interval 5. What is f minimum? Minimum is minus 3. F maximum, here f maximum is does not exist. Why here does not exist? Here 5 is not a part of range because your close interval, open interval 5. 5 is not a part of range. What's a part of range? 4.999, 4.99999, 4.9999 and so on. Those are part of range. Those are part of range. So 5 is not a part of range. 4.99999 is a part of range. So that's why f maximum does not exist. Next energy accepted. Okay, asymptote. Now, asymptote is a straight line if adjust towards which graph of the function approaches indefinitely. Which graph of the function approaches indefinitely? What is asymptote? Asymptote is a straight line if edges towards which graph of the function approaches indefinitely. An example. X-axis, y-axis. This one is y equal to f of x, graph of f of x. Here what is asymptote? Asymptote is a straight line if edges towards which graph of the function approaches. This graph is approaches infinity. This one approaches infinity, x-axis, approaches x-axis. So here asymptote is x-axis. So x-axis means y equal to 0. This one is asymptote. One more example. X-axis, y-axis. This one is y equals, this point is 5, so y equal to 5. Here asymptotes are 2. Number of asymptotes are 2. Number of asymptotes are 2. What are the two asymptotes? So this graph is approaches y-axis, okay, approaches indefinitely. So y-axis and so y equal to 5. This one is approaches y equal to 5. So y-axis means x equal to 0 and y equal to 5. These two are asymptotes. What is the domain of this graph? Domain is portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph. This one approaches 0. So open interval 0 to infinity. What is the range of this one? Range is portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph. So open interval 5 to infinity. So f minimum is does not exist. Here 5 is open interval 5. 5 is not a part of range. 5.1 is a part of range. 5.0001 is a part of range. 5 is not a part of range. So does not exist. Does not exist. F maximum does not exist. Now number of roots. So graph intersect x-axis. There is no intersecting, so none. Number of roots, none. I hope you are understanding. Let's do one more example. Assemble to it. X-axis, y-axis. This one is 7. This point is -4. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is the graph y equal to f of x. What is the domain of this graph? Domain of this function? Domain is portion of x-axis which is covered by the graph. So minus infinity, open interval minus infinity to open interval 7. Unshaded circle, open interval. So range of this graph. What is the range? Range is the portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph. So portion of y-axis. Yeah, this one is unshaded circle. So open interval 0. Sorry. This one is minus infinity. Range is minus infinity to 0, open interval. So minus infinity to 0. F minimum does not exist. Does not exist. F maximum. Yeah, 0 is not part of range. Open interval, close interval. Close interval 0 on F maximum 0. 0 is a close interval means suppose 0 to infinity. So closed interval means 0 is part of the range. So F maximum is 0. Open interval means 0 is not part of the range. So here F maximum does not exist. Does not exist. So F maximum is does not exist. Asymptotes. Asymptotes are none. Asymptote is a straight line which graph of the function approaches indefinitely. So asymptote is none. Roots. Here graph is intersect x-axis. No, intersect కావట్లేదు కండి. Open interval, closed in. This one is shaded circle or open circle. Open circle. So roots are none. Next one more example. X-axis, y-axis. Y equal to x. This is a graph. So domain of this function, what domain is only is y equal to f of x. So what is the domain of this function? Domain is portion of x-axis. So this graph approaches 0. So open interval 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity means r plus. Domain of this function is open interval 0 to infinity. Range of this function. Range is a portion of y-axis which is covered by the graph. So range of this function is closed interval 7. This one is shared circle, closed interval 7 to infinity. So f maximum, f minimum is 7. It is a closed interval 7. 7 is a part of range. So f min maximum is does not exist. Does not exist. Infinity means does not exist. Next one is asymptote. So what are the asymptotes? Yeah, this graph is approaches indefinitely y-axis, and this graph approaches indefinitely y equal to x. Two asymptotes. Asymptotes are two. What are the two asymptotes? Y-axis and y equal to x. Y-axis means x equal to 0 and y equal to x. These two are asymptotes. So number of roots. Number of roots none. Number of roots none. Graph x axis intersect చేస్తేనే మనకి 10 roots వస్తాయి. So graph and x axis intersect కావట్లేదు కదా. So number of roots none. So I hope you are understanding.